Okay guys, just got done unboxing the VMP kit for the Shelby. About to get this thing installed. Okay guys, first things first, we're going to remove this hose here, this hose, and then the thermistor. Or inlet air temp, whatever that thing's called. Two 10mm bolts on each side, the filter housing. One flathead to take the clamp off. This thing should pull right out. Whole thing comes out as an assembly. 10mm bolt. 10mm bolt at the back of the airbox. Whole airbox should come out. Okay, per the instructions, first thing we're going to do is screw in the PCB connection. Next, we're going to screw in the nipple. And last, we're going to put in this supplied grommet. Okay, next it wants us to put the filter on the actual tube inside the housing before installing into the car. Okay guys, don't forget to connect your PCV hose, your little boost blow off valve, whatever you want to call it, bypass. At the bottom where we put that grommet, there is a inlet air temperature sensor. Pretty cool because it's hidden now. You don't see it rubbing up against the radiator or anything like that. Pretty simple install. Only thing I'm not pleased with is this exposed hole, but we got future plans to do the ice tank, so should cover that area up great. Other than that, nothing left to do but go test it.